Hello everyone, this is HND Institute of Hydraulics and Pneumatics, a professional training center. Excuse me. Here you can see a kit which is equipped with hydraulic equipments and a giant cylinder. And here you can see three guys who are ready to maintain the system. Okay, here we go. So this is introduction to fluid power system. So let's talk about what is a fluid power system. So basically hydraulic and pneumatic is more common known as fluid power. Fluid power system uses fluids to transfer power and motion. There are many types of fluids that could be used and were used in the past. For example, water hydraulics is coming off nowadays because it cannot be pressurized up to the level of mineral oil and the problem of rusting and corrosion. Okay, so this is what actually the problem for using water hydraulics we can understand easily. Okay, move on. Milk can be second thing, milk can be used after special treatment. Molten metal can be used too after certain kind of process that can be by which we can achieve certain properties. Okay, oil and gases or oil come under fluid power banner. Air and gases air and gases are compressible whereas oil is incompressible. So in pneumatic system air or gases are used, whereas in hydraulic system oil is used. That's why it is also called as oil hydraulics. So incompressibility of oil is the biggest advantage, or you can say unique advantage, unique feature. Okay, continuing with introduction. So let's talk about how is the motion and power transmitted in fluid power system. So here electrical and mechanical mechanism and sources are considered to compare with fluid power system. So here you can see hydroelectric power is through hydrokinetic energy. In hydrokinetic energy, fluid velocity plays a role, and wind energy was used in sailing boats, which is means by hydrodynamic energy. So ultimately hydrodynamic energy, the velocity and magnitude of fluid play a role in control manner, but in oil hydraulics the pressure energy of fluid rather than its velocity is the drive force or hydrostatic energy, which is called hydrostatic transmission, HST. Okay, let's see few examples and its drive force. So here you can see centrifugal pumps. Using kinetic energy or velocity, impeller is rotated and suction head is created through which the fluid comes in and energized by velocity and discharged with certain pressure. Here the suction head is the matter, but in case of fluid power system we don't need any kind of suction head because we use positive displacement pumps. Okay, so moving on. In case of turbine, fluids with potential energy is converted into kinetic energy and that transmit the power to turbine impeller and turbine rotates. This is another way. But in case of fluid power system, we supply pressurized oil in the actuator and it moves like giving thrust on piston like a salt bar. Okay, so